Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let us quickly solve this problem, this exponential problem. What do we do? It's very simple. I'm going to solve it with two methods. And the first one is they gave us 4 root 4 everything raised to power x is equal to 32. Now, according to SOLD, you should know that if you have x root y and then you want this x to come inside this y, this root now is going to be the root of y is already there. Then you multiply it by that x, multiply by another x. So if you want this x to come inside the root, it's going to multiply itself. So let us do the same thing here. So this is going to be the square root of have the 4 that is already there, then times another 4, this one going in times another 4, because if somebody wants to go in, he's going to multiply himself by himself. So this is now equal to 32. Don't forget I have that they are all raised to power x. Okay, so this is now going to be, if you multiply this here, in fact the square root of 4 is 2, the square root of 4 again is 2, and the square root of 4 again is 2. Then everything is raised to power x is equal to 32. So I'm going to have that if you multiply everything, you're going to see that this is 8 raised to power x is equal to what? 32. Now this is, if you break 8 down, let us break 8 down. 8, 2 divide is 4, 2 divide is 2, 2 divide is 1. So I'm dividing with 2 and they are 3 in number. Then all raised to power what? X is equal to. If I break 32 down, 32, 2 divide will give us 16 and 2 divide like that. So I'm dividing with 2 and they are 5 in number. So if you clear this bracket, you're going to be having that this is now 2 raised to power 3x is equal to what? 2 raised to power 5. Okay, so if 2 now take care of 2, I'm having that 3x is equal to 5, and then finally my x is equal to what? 5 over 3. So x is now one whole number 2 over 3. Okay, so that is it. Now that's the first method of solving this. Now the second method of solving this is by saying they gave us 4 roots 4 all raised to power x is equal to what? 32. Now this thing is something as saying 4 times root 4 is something as 2, right? 4 times 2, then all raised to power what? X is equal to what? 32. Now this is 4 can be the same thing as 2 squared. So 2 squared times 2, and 2 can be the same thing as 2 raised to power 1. Then everybody raised to power x is equal to what? 32 is something as 2 raised to power 5. Like I showed you, you want to still find it, you come here and say 32. 2 divide is 16, 2 divide is 8, 2 divide is 4, 2 divide is 2, 2 divide is 1. So I'm dividing with 2 and they are 5 in number. So if you apply the law of indices that say that a raised to power m times b raised, in the same a raised to power n, that what we do is take one of the base and then we add the power m plus n, m plus n. Okay, so let's do the same thing here now. This is take one of the base, we now say 2 plus 1. Then don't forget all raised to power what? X is equal to what? 2 raised to power 5. Now this is something as saying 2 raised to power what? 3 all raised to power x is equal to what? 2 raised to power 5. Don't forget, according to indices, that a raised to power m all raised to power n is the same thing as saying a raised to power m times n. So let me continue solving it from here. I will say that this is now 2 raised to power 3 times x to give us 3x is equal to what? 2 raised to power 5. So if this take care of this, I'm now having that 3x is equal to 5, and then my x will now be equal to 5 over 3. So therefore x is now one whole number 1 over 3. So that is that. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, share and subscribe. Bye bye.